Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to fix cannot install WhatsApp app Messenger. Now you can see how to fix it. Now solve this problem. At first go to your settings, click on settings, now scroll down, click on apps, now click on search bar, search Google Play Store. Play Store. Now scroll down, click on storage, then click on clear cache. Now back, click on permissions. Now allow all permission. Allow all permission, allow. Now back, then go to your Play Store. Then click on search WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Now install your WhatsApp Messenger. Installing. After updating your WhatsApp, your problem solved. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.